The IPO Connect, of course, is also something that you guys will be working on. IPO activity in Hong Kong, we saw Medea list earlier this year, $4.6 billion, the biggest listing in Hong Kong since 2021, the second biggest in the world this year. There was also Hong Kong's first de-SPAC listing. In terms of the IPO pipeline, how does it look for 2025?
Yeah. I think it's looking really good. You just mentioned, right, we did the Medea IPO, which it's the second largest in the world this year and the largest in our market since 2021. And I think that basically reopened the market, and shortly after that we've seen a couple of other IPOs which caught the attention of international investors in a big way. So, you know, the China Resources Seibong deal, we also have Horizon, and, you know, I just learned that Shenfeng is SF Express is going to be launching quite soon. And I think this is a good response to the policy announcement from the CSRC back in April. They have 5 measures, one of which is to encourage more leading mainland Chinese companies to come to list in Hong Kong. And I will tell you that you know, after the announcement and with the recent development and all these big deals getting done, I'm certainly getting a lot of inbound inquiries about potentially getting a listing in Hong Kong. And therefore, the pipeline is building up very solidly. We're currently processing about 100 IPOs, but there will be more to come.
The market is in wait and see when it comes to Trump returning to the White House. Hong Kong and China have been through a trade war before, but how big of a risk is this to the market?
Yeah. Well, I mentioned earlier, we did see some softness the week before or leading into the U.S. election. And I think that's because, you know, investors generally do not like uncertainty. However, once the election is behind us and we know who's going to be the next president of the United States, the liquidity returns and the trading volume came back up. And therefore, I think, you know, the market will learn to cope with the new normal, shall we say. And in fact, this is the second time Trump is president. So I would say that our market has proven time over time that it's able to show the resilience and work through different cycles and up and downs in the market. So I'm quite confident.
Bonnie, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us here today at the HKMA Summit. Let's do it again soon.
Thank you.